Okay, day's 13th. Since I didn't record like I planned to for my regular channel, I figured it was a good time to record before the night got away from me. Uh, no, this isn't doing anything here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I was actually going to do an unboxing of a printer, from Kickstarter that was ordered 10 billion years ago. Even though I'm still waiting on something else from Kickstarter that they duped me on. A chess set that was ordered 5 years ago that they completely screwed me on because they said it was ready and collected my shipping and tariffs. Scam artist. The Phantom Chessboard. Look it up on Kickstarter. 5 years. Yeah, we're ready to ship and we need your shipping and tariffs, even though back then there was no shipping. Yeah, funny how that happens. So anyway, I've been seeing these things on, let me see if I can drag it over. No, I'm not going to do it. People are going, how this whole thing with Cockpit, nobody's, figuring out like what's going to happen. No, I'm going to drag it over. You know what? I'm not going to like put anything from the group over here. So somebody on the Facebook group for the UV, F2 Ultra UV, another person posted something and somebody's like, oh, that looks so nice. How did you do it? They're like, oh, I just went to, I took the picture and I took the background out with Canva and I then took it to Cockpit and then I used the free tools inside of xTool. I'm like, again, somebody talking about using Canva. No, everybody keeps, or not Cockpit, but they're not talking about how they did it. It's like I got a little secret because everybody's doing stuff in Cockpit, and it's like how we worrying about the $500 a year and then paying for the conversions. But then I figured it out how it can be done. So I'm going to share it in this video. Hopefully it gets out to you guys. So I'm just going to go find a video, or not a video, but any image that I can use. So let's just see what's here. Who is this green beret? Is that a green beret or strict rules that green berets must? Now it's going to be a video. I'm not going to use a political figure. Ooh, Chris Pratt. What we got here? Let's download Chris Pratt. So I'm going to go to Canva here. Let's see if I can. No. I'm going to upload Chris Pratt. Oh, why did it do that? Hello, Mr. Pratt. Okay, I'm going to edit this image. I'm going to go over to the Magic Studio. I'm going to remove his background. And I'm going to have to move myself out of the way here. I'm going to download him. Make sure. See, look at him. Here's Chris Pratt. No background. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we do it in what's its face here? Cockpit. So I am going to go to Cockpit. And now I figured it out. I did it over here. I finally figured it out. Because normally you'd open it and I was like, well, how are we doing this? Because all it will open are the what's this fake? The Cockpit files. So I thought the people were doing it by renaming the PNGs to Cockpit. No, it is right over here. Add an object from a file. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to take this sucker. Bam. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to do my scene settings already set here. Hopefully this works because the last one I did was black and white kind of. So I'm going to generate my point cloud. Now I'm going to save my point cloud. I'll do the worst Chris of all. And let's see what happens. I'm going to open xTool up, drag it over here. I'm going to get rid of this one I was playing with. I'm going to go ahead and set this because I'm actually going to, and I screwed up. I don't know if you know how I screwed up. Let's do this again. I'm going to set my parameters properly over here. If I can remember how to set them. Let me see here. You know what? I'm not even going to worry about it. Set your parameters for whatever you're going to be doing. You know what you're doing. I'm going to do this a couple of different ways. For this one, I am going to just, I don't even have it connected right now, so I'm just not even going to worry about it. Let's bring in Mr. Pratt. Let's see what happens. And there he is. La 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 la. And if I were to put in that known material, carved glass, 8200, the 04, some people change it to 660. Is that the worst Chris of them all? I like Chris Pratt. All I got to do is go and laser it and see what it looks like, which I'm going to do. And then I will amend this. So you know what laser settings look like, but maybe even cooler here. And yeah, that's it. There's my GLB. So I don't know what she said she used the free tools inside of here to do, because once we got to here, I think we're kind of done. But that's it. I just I couldn't wait till tomorrow. I just finished inner-engraving this. I don't think it's going to show up on here. Holy crap. It looks good. I could have made it darker. That's what she said. By, more power, maybe dot duration a little bit longer. This thing looks good. Yeah, it looks good. So the technique I just showed you, the only reason I don't think is because of the shadow thing. Oh, and plus this crystal I've used multiple times and it is light. It could definitely go darker. That's what she said. Oh my goodness. This thing looks so good. I gotta get, I'm gonna have to burn another one of those crystals, man. I mean, like, because this is just a crystal I've been burning over and over, inner engraving, just testing out. I gotta, it looks so good. It looks so good. And I really hate because on this one, I got to get with xTool or somebody to figure out what's, because, oh, you can see this one on here. Let me see, can you see it now? Jeez, you can't. Because like when I was testing, I've said this before, I tested on this side, changed the settings. All I did was turn the crystal around and it dropped it here. I don't know what's going on. And I think this is a little low here even. So something's wrong with the height on it. And I got to figure out what's going on. But regardless, it looks so good. I'm going to have to post this someplace, especially if I get the settings right for the darkness. Because the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. That's what she said. Anyway, I'm going to slice these two together because, oh my goodness, it looks good. Oh! You ain't got to pay for Cockpit or anything. I mean, as long as they continue to let you use the program, you're not worried about it, you know, doing the whole curving thing, you can do some real nice inner engraving, man. Woo! I ain't even worried about my Cockpit credits running out now. This looks so good. Yeah, it doesn't do the whole 3D effect, but for certain little jewelries and stuff, ooh, this looks as good as the one I got in Macau.